welcome back to my Keto Kitchen, Keto Naturopath Kitchen. I have a special treat today. Easter's coming and there's a lot of candy. And so today I'm making Keto Peanut Butter Cups so that you can enjoy Easter with the rest of your family while they're eating all their chocolate. You can have your peanut butter cups and it's clean keto. But I also wanted to say, I've discovered these Goals chocolates. They're absolutely delicious. They are sweetened with allulose. I normally have problems with allulose. I don't have problems having this, but you don't eat a lot. You eat one little thing. I like the way that they're these little discs, and for me, one is perfect. So this is great for Easter as well, for you to have your chocolate while everyone else is enjoying theirs. But today, Keto Peanut Butter Cups. I have Bake Believe. This is the semi-sweet chocolate chips that I've used for my chocolate. Normally I make my own chocolate with Ghirardelli 100% chocolate bars with some cocoa butter and sweetener, but I felt a little lazy and I decided to use these. They come in semi-sweet, unsweetened, and white milk, so they're great in a pinch when you want to do your own. I did melt them. They didn't melt as well as I had hoped, but we're going to try it. I also think this would be great with my ganache. I have a ganache that's both dairy-free and used with heavy cream. So I am going to use my fingers. I melted the chocolate over a double boiler, and it's hot. And I'm going to spread some on the bottom of these muffin tins. Ooh, that's hot. Because I want them to be like peanut butter cups. And I'm just putting, I don't even think it's a teaspoon I'm putting, but I like these, got these at Walmart. They're the silver. So you need this because otherwise it's gonna, if it's just paper, it's gonna leak in and leak on the paper and stick and all of that. So I might be using maybe a half a teaspoon, I'm not sure. And then I'm just spreading it on the bottom. That is hot. So this is going into the freezer for 10 minutes. I'll put this, I'm going to have to remelt the chocolate for later, but for now, I'll just put it there, put this in the freezer, and we'll get the peanut butter layer going. All right, the peanut butter layer. And yes, I'm going to lick my fingers because I'm not going to let this chocolate go. So to the recipe, I'm going to add some coconut oil to this to make it to the chocolate layer. But here I have 169 grams of peanut butter. This is peanut butter with no sweetener in it, just peanut butter. To that, I'm adding 2 tablespoons of coconut oil that has been liquefied. Vanilla flavored stevia, I'm just going to put a little bit of, a few drops in. Not too sweet. I don't like things too sweet. A half a teaspoon of vanilla extract. This is vanilla extract that I made myself. You have your choices here. As I said, I don't like to use granular sweeteners. So this you could probably use 2 to 3 tablespoons of granular sweetener. I use the stevia, so to make up for the bulk of that, I have 15 grams of egg white powder. So that will make up for the granular bulk. So I'm just going to mix all of this in really well. So now you just spoon on top of this, you spoon on the peanut butter layer. Actually, if you wanted a larger peanut butter layer, which I like my peanut butter layer, I might actually even make 6 of these with this amount of peanut butter. So I'll change the recipe to say 6. Once again, putting this in the freezer while we remelt the chocolate. So we're going to put the rest of this chocolate back into the pan. And I'm going to melt it again. That might take a few minutes. I just took the peanut butter cups out of the freezer. I remelted the chocolate, but I added some coconut oil to it because I just wasn't liking the way it melted. It definitely needs some coconut oil because it melted really nicely. So I've changed the recipe to add coconut oil. So now I'm going to spoon on a layer of chocolate. So the top chocolate layer is on. I'm going to put these in the refrigerator, not the freezer, but the refrigerator for 10 to 15 minutes so that the top chocolate sets up. And we'll be back to taste in about 10-15 minutes. I'm so excited. They look so good. Look at how good they look. I was worried there wouldn't be enough peanut butter, but this is the perfect amount for 9 peanut butter cups. And I'll just alter the recipe so that if you're using chocolate chips, to add a little bit of coconut oil. I'll give you some alternatives too, but now it's time to taste. Keto Peanut Butter Cups. Going to be great for Easter, great for Halloween, great for Mother's Day, great for just any day. It's so delicious. Oh, yum.